In the depths of a sprawling forest, where the light filters timidly through thick branches, imagine a small child wandering aimlessly, uncertainty brewing in their heart. The tall trees seem to whisper secrets of the wild, leaving the child feeling utterly bewildered. Nervously clutching a small toy, they call out for their mother, their little voice trembling with anxiety. "Mom, Mommy." The echo of their plea resonates, but the forest remains still, creating a sense of both isolation and fear. In this moment, the woods may appear daunting, filled with shadows and winding paths that twist away into darkness. Yet amidst the fear, there lies a profound truth encapsulated in the timeless words of Psalm 23. "The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing." And this comforting reminder flows through the air, softening the child's fear as they reflect on the simplicity of faith. With eyes wide and searching, the child glances up toward the heavens, as if to grasp the divine presence surrounding them. Understanding begins to dawn. God is my shepherd, he takes care of me. An unshakable sense of safety envelops them. Empowered by this realization, the child wipes away their tears and begins to move forward, feeling the earth firm beneath their feet. They traverse the uneven terrain with a renewed sense of purpose, gazing around with curiosity rather than trepidation. "I'm not alone. God is with me," they declare, casting fear aside. As they navigate through the lush greens and earthy browns, the landscape transforms from ominous to nurturing, echoing the assurance that, like a shepherd guiding his flock, God always leads us through our toughest valleys. Suddenly a clearing appears, a serene oasis bursting with sunlight. The child's heart races with excitement as they spot a familiar path ahead. "I see a path!" they exclaim with delight, a radiant smile breaking across their face. It is a path of hope, a representation of trusting in divine guidance. Just as Psalm 23 reassures, "Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me." With confidence surging, the child strides forward, whispering in gratitude, "Thank you, God." Their trusting heart realizes that through the maze of uncertainty, they were never alone, always held in the embrace of divine care. "Trust God's guidance," the voice echoes, reverberating through the trees, a truth transcending fear and lighting the way forward.